Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to learn about Google Maps. Google Mapping is a website that a website mapping service that provides direction. Basically it helps us to find direction when you're moving. Maybe when you're traveling to a certain place and you don't know where you're going, you can use Google Maps because Google Maps helps you to locate places. When you go to big cities, you're going to find that there are these borders called faras. Those borders, you order them online on Google Maps, so they help you take you to your place using Google Maps. They actually use Google Maps to locate where you're going. So we're going to look for Google Map. So here is our map. So double click it and it opens. So using this Google Map, we can be able to see the whole map. This one showing us you actually can use Google Maps for traveling. For example, when you're traveling from Gulu to Kampala, you can use a Google Map. It destination and current location, so it can show you the speed at which your bus is going. It can show you how many kilometers you're traveling, and it can show you for how many hours you're going. That is how Google Maps operate. They are good. So in this Google Map, I can see it is showing us basically this. From how I'm seeing it, is a map of Gulu city. So it is showing us Upper Bedong Market, Boma Hotel, Elena and Kimsey, Gulu University, Hotel Judith Gulu. So here, when you come here and you want only the restaurant, it shows you this fork and this spoon for you to identify restaurants. You tap there and it will only show you the restaurants within Gulu. Then you can search for a specific restaurant that you want to know here to show you. So as you can see, this where you're seeing a fork and a spoon, it is showing us the restaurants. And then when you want to see hotels, it gives us a symbol of beds. So where there is a bed is an hotel. This is Hotel Judith, Hope Apartments and Hotel Ariaga Villas Apartments. That is how basic Google Maps show us stuffs. So here, let's search for hostels within Gulu. The hostels these are hostels. These are hostels. Hotel. Hostels. Let's type hostels. Hostels around Gulu University. So we want Google Maps to show us hostels. The hostels around Gulu University. So the hostels, let's first check direction. This is what I was telling you, that Google Maps help us when you're traveling. Like, this is choose starting point. You can choose a starting point where you're traveling from and to. Maybe you're traveling from Gulu to your destination is Kampala. Here it shows by you be driving, it will show you delays, moderate in traffic area, and then reverse starting point and destination. So here it is showing you via Kampala to Gulu Highway. The best route is via Kampala Gulu Highway. You'll use 5 hours 47 minutes. Then Kampala Gulu Highway, the same, 45 hours this minutes. Yeah, that is when you're driving. But when you're riding, to show you 6 hours 10 minutes, 6 hours 11 minutes. Yeah, that is basically about traveling. So that is basically about Google Maps. About the hostels, my map is not hostels. I don't know why my map is not showing hostels, but we shall be able to see hostels on Google Map. Yeah, this is a map about Gulu University. So this is the map that will help us allocate our hostels. So let's search for our hostels. Our hostels around Gulu University. Because this map is for Gulu, let me see. The hostels around Gulu University, yeah. We are supposed to see our hostels here, but I don't know why this one is not showing us hostels. It is only showing us hotels, but on Google Maps you'll be able to allocate your hostels. And when your hostel is not on the map, you're even actually able sometimes to allocate your hostel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I remain Christina Pure.